Hello and welcome back. I'm just going to the notepad again, and actually I am just making this button, the edit button, workable. So for now, what to do, actually just simply go to the admin page and actually just copy the new page, new post, okay, and duplicate it. And now here just type edit post. Okay, this is the folder of admin inside the CMS folder. Let us open this new edit post page, and actually we just created all the things, but we have to delete some things from there. First of all, the don't just mess anything with this area. This is a security thing. Actually, you know about that already. Now then, all the things like submit post and all the things which is inside the submit post, so don't do anything with that at this moment, but just go down. Okay, and here at the at just before the page header, I'm just opening the PHP. Uh-oh, not in this way. Okay, and inside the PHP, what I'm just doing is just simply typing SQL and equal to select all from posts. Okay, but actually we have to just add an ID, so definitely I'm just adding an if here. Okay, we will create this. Actually I'm just adding an if is set here. Now here inside this set I'm just adding an ID, or actually the edit ID. So now we will create this edit ID variable in the URL on the post list page later on, but right now this is not necessary to do. Now select all from posts where ID is equal to $get post ID. Okay, now press enter and just type $run and equal to MySQLi query query, and then here $CUNN and then $SQL, and now save that and press enter on while loop, and here the rows, okay, equal to MySQLi fetch a sock, and then cover that and type run. Okay, in here just do all other things. So what to do, the first thing first, we can just copy all this form included this page header, or the second thing what we can do is actually we can just edit values by adding the PHP codes, PHP tags every time inside these form fields. So I'm just choosing the second one option for now. Actually I'm just implementing HTML inside the PHP. So right now here I'm just closing the PHP tags, and here I'm just continuing it back. Okay, so everything is fine, but actually this shouldn't be like that. This is the perfect PHP starting tag. So now obviously you know that all these areas, and this is actually the PHP part, so I'm just cutting this whole form from where it is starting, it is ending from there. Okay, let's just copy this whole thing and paste this inside that and save that. Now just go to the browser and just type the edit post.php, press enter. Now I'm just getting unexpected in a file, obviously because there is something wrong, and the very main thing is at the single quotes here. Now let's just save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Okay, so what is the problem here? Oh, add any space and then save that. Actually this curly brace was just mixing with the PHP tag. Now let's just refresh that. I'm getting the thing, but why I'm just getting the error, the post ID error? Okay, here is the post ID error in line number 82. I'm just going to the top, and this is the 82. So okay, first thing first, I'm just getting the post ID, not the the edit ID actually. Okay, now this is more perfect. Now just refresh that. Okay, I'm getting no error, but one thing more, that actually I just didn't open this is set. What if I just did not send the edit ID? Then I'm getting the error again. Okay, definitely I'm not getting any result, but the error. So just ignoring the error, what I have to do actually, now this is really typical to cut that. Just simply delete that, okay, from there, and just add that here within a space. Okay, so definitely this is the last one, and here the coding is starting for the edit ID, and then the next one is starting from there, and at least it is just ending just before that. Okay, this is more perfect. Refresh that. Now I'm getting nothing, but here instead of nothing, what I just want to show there, adding an echo, oh sorry, else, and then the thing, going to the post list and actually just copying this code and just pasting here, and adding an echo here as well, and then there I'm just typing, please select some select a post to edit. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now I'm getting the error. Okay, please select a post to edit. Perfect. But now if I just select a post here, I'm just typing the question mark and then the edit ID ID and equal to 2 and press enter. Now I'm getting the whole page. But now the last thing is just get the results here. You know that we are just getting the whole post area, but right now I'm just getting the actual things. So now remove the new post, and instead of the new post, I'm just adding the PHP code. Okay, I have to add the PHP code whenever I just want to add something from the PHP. So the PHP code and echo and the dollar sign and the raws. Okay, now here the title. Okay, this title is coming from the posts, you know. Now add the semicolon and save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now I'm just getting the second post. This is the title, you know. Now we can update the title as well here. So let's go there. Here, instead of just getting the title, I'm just adding a value. Okay, you know, in the value I can type anything. For example, new things. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting new thing, but actually I just want to get the title, so I'm just copying this raw, and definitely actually I'm just copying the whole things, the echo raw, and just pasting this here inside the value in this way, and save that and go to the browser. Now refresh that. Now I'm just getting the second post. Okay, the raw which I just selected, if I just type or raw edit ID once, then press enter. Now the first post and the first post here, then I'll just manage the category later on, but right now the second an important thing is, but now just go to the description area, and here I'm just adding the same thing, but right now actually this is a PHP coding, you know, and I'm just echoing the title, but right now we don't need to echo the title. We can echo the description, save that and go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting the description here, but I'm not getting. That means we have to do something more. Go to the browser and actually to the database, and the spelling is description. This is same. So what is the problem here? Everything is fine there as well. Actually something is missing right now. You know that we just created the raws here, and these are the raws again in the edit post, so definitely they are just conflicting. So here I'm just typing, instead of directly raw, I'm just adding C raws. Okay, C raws. When you just nest a while inside a while and you just want to get the data from databases from both of them, then you have to take care about this thing. We can't use the same names multiple times. But if you just don't want to do that and simply you just want to make another while, then this is not necessary. So right now I'm just updating this into C raw instead of simple raw. Now save that and refresh that. Now I'm getting the whole text here. Okay, and I can do everything with this text by using these beautiful commands. Okay, and then I'm just setting the old image here at the top of the uploading image option there, adding an img tag, press any space and src, and then cover that and just type that again the paste the PHP, and at this time not title, actually the image. Okay, now save that, go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting the image. I have to get the image, but I'm not getting. That means we just didn't link the image perfectly. Actually, you know that the image is in the images folder in the CMS folder, not in the admin folder. So we have to go back a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going back by using the back directory things. So now refresh that and I got the image, but this is really bigger. Go to the notepad and actually just add another thing, add in a space and then type width, and the value I'm just putting on 100 pixels. Okay, save that and go to the browser and refresh that. And now I got in a small picture which is actually perfect. But one thing more I'm just doing, I'm just cutting this img from there and just pasting this out of the form group. Save that and refresh that. Now I got the image here at the top. So definitely I hope you understood how to do that.